Believe it or not, with just your body weight, you can see amazing results in just 3 weeks. And today, I'm going to share 5 powerful exercises that will build muscle and burn fat, all without any gym equipment. And remember, the last exercise is a game changer. Number 1, push-ups. They target your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core all at once. Beginners can try incline or knee push-ups. Advanced athletes can level up with diamond or clapping push-ups. Number 2, mountain climbers. Now it's time for a full-body cardio move. Mountain climbers hit your core, shoulders, and legs while also boosting fat burn and stamina. Stay in plank position and drive your knees toward your chest quickly, one at a time. Number 3, squats. The king of lower body training. Squats. They strengthen your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and core. Keep your back straight, chest up, and knees aligned with your toes. Want extra power? Try jump squats.
Number 4, jumping jacks. Jumping jacks aren't just for warm-ups. They activate your shoulders, calves, and core while boosting cardio fitness. Keep a steady pace and land softly to protect your joints. Number 5, lunges. Lunges target each leg individually. They strengthen your quads, glutes, and hamstrings while improving balance. Take a big step forward, lower your back knee toward the ground, and push up through your front heel. Follow this routine for just 3 weeks, and you'll see how your body and strength transform. So start today, and drop a comment below. What's your favorite exercise?